welcome to Lux Locks number 6, and today I'm tackling the Magnum. Hopefully that sounded spooky. It's a spooky lock. The Magnum number 240, made in China. Now it shouldn't be a hard lock to open, but it kind of is because of the bitting on this key. It's kind of nasty. And when I first tried to open this lock, I broke my Bogota rake. This guy right here was the original Bogota rake that I had from the Sparrow's tuxedo kit. And, you know, no matter what I was doing, that lock was not going to open. Because, you know what, it wouldn't even open with the key. It was so jammed up. It was on my roommate's gate. It had been painted green, probably, God, ages ago. And the thing was totally jammed up, man. You couldn't even open it with the key. When I tried opening it with the key, it just stuck. So I ended up taking some pliers and trying to open it with the key like that, and ended up bending the key. So that wasn't good. But luckily now, opens very easily with the key. We'll see how it opens with the picks. I've still only had luck with this lock a couple of times. I haven't been able to open it very much. So I'm going to try top of the keyway tension with this Sparrow's tool here. Kind of a squared off 91. And you know what, just for revenge's sake, I'm going to try it with the new Bogota. I've never picked this lock with this pick before. I actually lost this pick. If you saw my first video, I might have mentioned that in there, that I'd lost my Bogota replacement, broken the original one. But let's see if we can get it open with this. Now, as per usual, I'm not much of a raking kind of a guy, so not really that interested in raking. But I do find that this Bogota works pretty good, just as kind of a more standard kind of a single, double, shoot, is it a triple pin pick now because it's a Bogota? I don't know, but some locks I've had some good luck with it. Just kind of prying around in there, poking around. You can also kind of flip it and see how it goes. But it might not really be the optimal pick for this lock. Let's try something else. Let's try the broken Bogota. This will be the real revenge right here. See if this works. I'll reset it. Come on, give me something. It kind of has long pins, which is interesting. My roommate was nice enough to let me keep this one. I traded him out for another lock that I had. And yeah, that's on the gate now, and this one is on the show. But it's a little bit of a villain for me, so it definitely deserves to be on here. One of my harder locks. Alright, let's try this again. I have failed so far. I've tried for about 10 minutes and failed, so I just figured let's go ahead and start again. Darn it, darn it, darn it. I don't know, folks. I think I gotta be done. At least for tonight. I have to come back out here and try it again another day. Yeah, it's just not easy. I gotta go home and eat something. I haven't eaten in like 12 hours. Been here at the studio having fun. Anyways, let's try it another day. This is the first part of Lux Locks number 6. But I will be back. I will have revenge on this thing. I promise you that. Alright, day 2. Here we are. Second attempt. More like 4th attempt. Second day. Hopefully it doesn't take too much longer. Today I'm going to use this tension tool. I used the square one yesterday with the 90. I use this one more, and I just want to try to remove any variables that make this any harder than it has to be. So I'm going to try this one here, and I'm just going to try the deep hook. Let's see if I have any luck today. I hope so. Alright. I'm going to start at the back. I'm going to start at 4. Alright, I'm going to take one little break, try again. Alright, attempt number 3 today, day 2, attempt 3. Trying to visualize this thing, you know. Hard to get the 2 way up in there without bumping 1. Ah, man, my pinky hurts. Just just holding it and putting tension on the lock. Probably squeezing way too hard, but making my broken finger feel no bueno. Alright, one more time. One more try. And then it's beer time. One more time. Sweating. Gotta turn my AC back on. I turn off the AC when I film. I don't want that loud rumble in there, but these LED lights, they're not supposed to put out any heat, but they feel, yeah, they don't really feel warm. It's just me. It's just this lock. This lock is burning up in my hands. Good thing I got 256 gigs on this phone. It'd fill up. Oh! Oh my God. I was just about to give up. I swear to God, I was just about to give up. Wow, I thought pin 1 was too far set in there for that to go. I thought that was too deep. Holy shit. Holy shit. Pardon my language, folks. I try not to swear too much, but this is fucking exciting. Yeah! Woo! Magnum picked. Yes. That's exciting. Holy shit. Well, that's tough. That's why this is the toughest one so far. You see, it took me 2 days and, God, I don't know, 45 minutes or something like that. I know that's not too much. I see stuff people are doing out there. They say they work on it for 6 hours on some locks, and yeah, those locks are. I definitely I don't know if I'm looking forward to getting into that world, but you know that will be exciting someday. But as of right now, that was exciting. That's what we do it for, right? That feeling that you get right afterwards. All right, well, there's definitely no way I'm putting this video out tonight. This video is coming out tomorrow, which is Friday. Just as a request for Lockie McLockface Jr. Your name's a bit of a tongue twister, but I like you, bud. Friday is when you're gonna get it. So I got a lot of video to edit to get this together, and a lot of audio to sync up. This is the first video that I'm recording with some overhead condenser mics and these new LEDs, these newer LED lights that I got and stuff. So yeah, fantastic. Woo! That's it. That is it. Time to drink a beer and play some piano. All right, everybody. Happy Friday. I tell you what, I'm excited tonight because that little bastard right there is picked open. That was tough. I mean, I don't know what it was total. I'm thinking 45 minutes to an hour of picking in there. Once I finish editing everything tonight, maybe I'll put a little note on the bottom of the screen and say how much time that was. Or maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to fast forward through a lot of that stuff. Get it fast motion because I don't want to be having to try to make people sit through all that time picking. But anyways, guys, just wanted to say thanks for checking out the video. And here we are going down the line. We're on to the last padlock that I have. After that, it's going to be getting into the Sparrow's Progressive set. That's going to be pretty fun. So I'm curious to see, is the number 77 Master Lock going to be as tough as that Magnum was? Are the Sparrow's Progressives going to be as tough as that Magnum was? I know I've had mixed experiences with these before. I've had times where they opened up really, really fast. I've never had a time where that opened up really, really fast. And I've never opened this one at all still. So good stuff. Looking forward to seeing how that goes. I still got to do some repinning on this guy here. Right now it just has standard pins in there. When I got it, it had all spools, and that was too difficult for me, so I put all standards in there. Basically, I did that just so that I could see if there was something wrong with it, you know. So I put all standards in there, and it opened up just fine. But anyways, I'm going to repin that one. Maybe that will be the final lock at the end. Haven't really decided where I'm going to fit that one in yet, but maybe I'll get that one pretty gnarly and put it at a final lock at the end and black out the window or something so that it's, you know, not trying to cheat, not trying to make it any easier. But anyways, guys, thanks a lot for joining me for Lux Locks number 6, the Magnum, and what more can I say? That was awesome. Pain in the ass, but awesome. All right, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'm looking forward to watching some baseball tonight. Let's go, Padres! Peace.